Hi guys, Fluky here. Today I'm here with the second in the series of basic GFX Tuts. Today I'm going to be covering color curves and gradient maps and maybe a bit of vibrancy. So of course you can do this over your background, but I'm just going to do it over a desktop background I've made previously. One of the few ones I've ever made. It's going to be this one. Basically what it does is, if you go to the bottom here, where it says, or whatever, it's like a contrast thing, so it's like a half-cast moon. You click on that. First we're going to do gradient maps. Now you can download a lot of gradients, which is what I've done. I might, if I can be bothered, I might try and find some. But if you look, it just adds a different kind of tonal color to the images itself. But what you can do is, if you kind of want it to be kind of like that, you kind of up and down the optimacy a bit. And also, if you want to make your own, say I wanted to make a blue one, what you can do is just go into the blue, and what I would consider doing is always making the darkest colour a dark, really dark version. I was making the lightest colour a little bit in on it, like that. You can do others. Some people like to put yellow at the top, and having like a little bit of yellow, and because basically what it does is the very top on the spectrum here changes the what white is, and the very bottom changes what black is, and everything in between. Second of all, we're going to do color curves. I mean, normally I just mess around with this, but normally it's best if you just drag the bottom one down and drag the top one up like that, and it just adds. But I've already done it on this, so it doesn't look very good. And finally, we're going to do vibrancy. Now, this is basically just taking the saturation out if you want to, so there's no colour, maybe putting down a bit, and the vibrancy is just taking the, it just changes the feel of the image quite a lot, and it's quite a nice tool to use sometimes. I've used it in many of my backgrounds, and you can up it, look, to make it look different. Yeah, just, honestly guys, with vibrancy, I just mess around with it. I just saw somebody using it once and thought I might have a go. So yeah guys, I hope this helped. Good luck with using it in the future. You can always use it in backgrounds at the very end, just to kind of, because on background sometimes different things are different colours, and it just drags it all into one sort of colour frame. So yeah guys, I hope this helped. See ya, and like if you feel like it.